Imagine waking up just 30 days from now, feeling more confident, focused, and in control of your life. What if I told you that in just 1 month, you could rewire your mind, transform your habits, and create the life you've always dreamed of? Sounds too good to be true? Stay with me, because today we're diving deep into the book 30 Days Change Your Habits, Change Your Life, and uncovering the powerful lessons that can reshape your reality. Why habits matter. Our habits shape our destiny. Every little action we repeat daily, whether consciously or unconsciously, contributes to the person we become. Successful people don't simply rely on motivation, they cultivate habits that propel them forward. But here's the truth. Bad habits are just as powerful as good ones. If you're stuck in a cycle of procrastination, self-doubt, or unhealthy choices, it's because your habits are holding you back. But the good news, you have the power to change them. And the transformation starts today. The power of 30 days. Research shows that it takes about 21 to 30 days to form a new habit. That's why this book provides a structured approach to rewiring your brain and unlocking your full potential. The key isn't just knowing what to do, it's about doing it consistently. And that's where most people fail, but you won't. Because today, we're breaking down the most powerful takeaways from this book, giving you a step-by-step guide to change your life in just 1 month. Part 1. The Mindset Shift. Before we jump into the actions, we need to talk about mindset. One of the biggest reasons people fail at changing their habits is because they don't truly believe in their ability to change. Your mind is your greatest asset or your biggest enemy. If you keep telling yourself, I can't do this, or I've always been this way, guess what? You'll stay exactly where you are. But if you shift your mindset to, I am becoming the best version of myself, and start seeing your future self as already successful, your actions will naturally align with that vision. You must believe it before you see it. Part 2. Small changes, big impact. One of the biggest misconceptions about self-improvement is that change has to be dramatic. The truth? Small changes lead to massive results over time. Want to wake up earlier? Start by setting your alarm 10 minutes earlier each day. Want to read more? Read just 5 pages daily. Want to get fit? Do 1 push-up today, then 2 tomorrow. When you focus on tiny, consistent actions, your brain adapts, and before you know it, these changes become effortless. The key? Start small but stay consistent. Part 3. Eliminating excuses. Let's be real, life gets busy. You'll feel tired, distracted, and unmotivated. But here's the secret. Successful people don't wait for motivation, they rely on systems. If you don't have time to work out, do a 5-minute routine. If you feel too tired to read, listen to an audiobook. If you struggle with self-doubt, write down 3 things you did well today. Excuses will always be there, but so will opportunities. Which one will you choose? In the end, the power to transform your life is in your hands. The next 30 days will pass no matter what. The real question is, will you use them to change, grow, and become better, or will you let them slip away? Change is uncomfortable, but so is staying stuck. The difference? One leads to growth, the other to regret. What will you choose? Now, it's time to take action. Pick 1 small habit today and commit to it for 30 days. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your life transform. If you're ready to unlock your full potential, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's embark on this journey together. Your time is now.